Okay, for this kind of bread, we use a recipe direct. So I'm gonna mix today and prove later and bake on the same day. For the mixing, it's 10 minutes speed 1 and 3 minutes speed 3. But it's depending about your kind of bread that you want to do. This is a special bread. So now I will take some dough from the mixer, and I already calculate how many kg I need, because the divider is 20 pieces. So one piece is 600 grams. So I will scale 1,200 kilo. Now I need to wait 20 minutes before dividing. So now I'm gonna divide the dough. Okay. Put the dough. I will put the dough here for 15 minutes. So now I will do some shaping with my bread. That, okay. Okay. So now I will use slow proofing. Okay. So temperature, I can manage the temperature here. 24 degrees. Okay. Humidity, we do 85 humidity. And timer, it's about 1 hour and a half. Okay. So now everything is okay. 24 degrees. 85% of humidity, and I start. And the timer is over there. for this kind of baguette, I will use 270 on top and 260 at the bottom. When you put the bread into the oven, you have to put the steam. And for the big bread, the timer is more long. This is only about 20 minutes for the baguette. And for this one, it's about 45 minutes.
Laisse tourner Bec. Tu veux leur parler?
Vas-y. So now I'm gonna do the traditional bread. So it's a recipe that I sent already to you. So now it's autolyzed. Okay, you have a different phase of the program. So first autolyze, so 20 minutes. You just mix water and flour, rest for 20 minutes. I will add salt, yeast, levain inside and start to mix again. So now this is a program that I do already. So the machine with our oxygen mixer, we can manage all the recipe from the beginning until the end with the folding, autolyse and everything. And before to mix the water, you have to use this machine and also this one. This is cooling water, and this is mixer hot water and cold water. So I can adjust the temperature to mix my dough. So in the end of the mixing, my dough needs to be at 24 degrees. So that's why we mix hot water and cold water. So it's depending about the room temperature and flour temperature. You have to find the right temperature when you add the water in the mixing. This is very important, the temperature of the dough. If your dough is too cold, it will not prove very well. And if it's too hot, it will prove very, very, very fast. Now you can see the mixer. Give some alarm to tell me how you have to put your salt, yeast and everything inside. And just close the mixer and press start. And that's it. Now the mixing gets 10 minutes speed 1, 2 minutes speed 2. After that, the mixer gonna give a break to the dough. Give 15 minutes and give a folding, automatic folding inside. Rest again folding, and in the end give some rest and gonna ring again to call me, to say that it's the end of the program. So this is the end of the program. So now the mixer gonna ring until when I open it. I will open it. Okay. So now I divide the dough and put on the plastic bucket overnight at 4 degrees.